everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to convert binary to gray code. So firstly, let us understand what is a gray code. A gray code is a type of binary numeral system in which two successive values differ in only one bit. This property makes gray code particularly useful in applications where minimizing errors during transitions between states is critical. So let us start this with the program. Here, this function performs the conversion from binary code to gray code, which takes a single parameter binary str. Here, a string representing a binary number, for example 1011. And here in the next line, as we can see, the section of code provided is a docstring. A docstring is a special type of comment in Python used to document what a function, class, or module does. It is enclosed with triple double quotes and typically appears right after the function or class definition. Let us see in the next line in the logic. In step 1, initialize the gray code with the first bit of the binary string. So in this line, the code's first bit of the binary string and gray code are always the same. And step 2 is this iterates through the binary string starting from the second bit, means index 1. Now in the next line, in the loop line, for each bit in the binary string, this compute the gray code bit by XORing the previous binary bit with the current binary bit. Now in the next line, here XOR operation between the two bits is being performed, and in this line the str converts the resulting bit back into a string and append this computed gray code bit to the result string. Now in the next line, the function returns the complete gray code string after the loop. Now we can see the main code execution. In the next line, in this line, the code checks if the input consists only of the characters of inputted value are 0 and 1 using this line. If all bit in 0 1 for bit in binary input. This ensures every character in the input is either 0 or 1. Now in the next line, if the input is valid, this calls the binary gray function to get the gray code equivalent, and the result is equals to binary to gray. Now in the next line, this corresponding gray code, if the input is invalid, this will print please enter a valid binary number consisting of 0 and 1s. So let's check this program. As I'm entering a binary code, hence binary number is 1001 and its corresponding gray code is 1101. So thanks for watching this video.